I built a lot of box forts and I like solving Rubik's cubes, so I thought why not combine them and make a box fort Rubik's cube solving area. So that's exactly what I did.
I have built the box fort Rubik's cube solving area slash bunker because it's kind of more like a bunker than an area. So there's a door here. I can't open it. Why can I not open it? Because there's a lock here. Now I'm gonna blur this, and I'm just gonna enter the code. Alright, and then press this button. This is basically a crafting table I made in my box for Minecraft house video. It also looks like a number pad, so I thought why not just, make it a code thing. So now I can open the door. And this is the box fort Rubik's Cube solving area bunker. So you go in. There's this bed right here. Why is there a bed right here? Well, because I have no other place to put it. So there's basically a bed right here, so I can literally sleep right here. And there's this box that is full of snacks, so I have no idea what this is. Some soda, Gatorade, juice, water, and then there's these cookies, and there's those cookies. And there's this, which is an unknown, and then I have this green light that I put in here so I can see at night. I could just open that light, but this light's not that bright, so yeah. So we're gonna close that box right here, and it's impossible to close because, exactly. So now you have this chair right here, and this mosquito shield, because there are lots of mosquitoes here. Now it's summer. And then there's this table that you can raise the height of, and I'll just sit on here. And there's my portrait, and that has appeared many times in my videos. This was first seen in my box fort casita video, and I just basically use it as a self-portrait. So right there's a tree, which is not a real tree, of course. And then there's this light right here that shines on my entire area. And then there's this shelf. My sister put that there. What the heck is that? And then there's the hand sanitizer, of course. The hand sanitizer. And there's this mirror right here, which is, yeah, that's a mirror. And then there's this another shelf, which doesn't make sense at all. What am I supposed to put on there or in there? And right here, this is to roll up this mat right here. And these are the 3 Rubik's cubes, speed cubes I have. This is the best, this is the second best, and this is the worst. So I'll get to that in a minute. Now, this is the stack mat. So this is the mat right here. I feel like they should have made this wider and not longer, because every time I solve the Rubik's cube, I drop it on the table and it flies off like right there. So yeah. So attached to this, you can actually take it off, but I'll just put it back on. And attached to this is a timer. So basically, I just put my two hands here. And the timer starts. That was not supposed to happen. Pretend that did not happen. And now, this mat right here is very long. So there was supposed to be a tablet here, but I'm filming on it right now. So the tablet is supposed to be for like cubing videos, cubing tutorials, I don't know, all that kind of stuff. So this is I'll just put the timer right here. I mean the camera, and then hold on. This comes in handy because just raises this thing up a little bit. Still doesn't. Never mind. So this turns. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna do that. Do that right there. Right there. And then this cube turns very fast. Well, not fast. This is not a Gantov maglev, okay? If you guys are wondering about that. This doesn't even have maglev in it. None of my cubes have maglev in it. Alright, this is my second best Rubik's Cube, which turns horribly because I never... It's very dirty on the inside. Well, not that dirty, but still it's dirty. And it's slower. Now this I had for like 3 years now, I don't know. But this is my first speed cube. And this is actually not that bad, but this corner cutting is bad. And this corner cutting is not that bad. And this corner cutting is oh my god. Okay, this corner cutting is better, but this corner cutting is not better, but it still turns faster because the things don't get into it easily. And my sister is here. What are you doing? Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! No. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna do a quick solve really quick. So put the camera there. And I'm gonna scramble this up. And then I'm gonna try to solve it. So alright, turn this thing on. Turn the stack mat timer on, and 3, 2, 1, go. This is already slow. Where is the other? Oh. I don't know if you guys can hear me because this Rubik's Cube is very loud. Very loud. I'm already starting off slow. What the heck did I just do? I just did a random move and it solved like something. Oh, I forgot to solve this. Bro. Get away, sister! Why are you? Okay, my sister just closed the door. So, have this kilo, and then this. Alright, that was slow. 57 seconds. Like, look at this. This is 57 seconds. As you can see right there. That is so slow. Like, my average is my get away, sister! Alright, so my average is 40 something, like 43, 42, I don't know. My best is 33 seconds. I don't know. I think it's 33 seconds. Yeah, it's 33.72 seconds for now. And then that's pretty much the whole fort with the 3 Rubik's cubes and the hand sanitizer and the snacks and the bed. There's also this table and this thing, this thing and this thing, and that bag that holds this thing and this thing. I bought for $50 off of something, and yeah, that's the whole fort. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And get away, sister!